Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be teaching you guys this my oha soup recipe that turned my English neighbor into a Nigerian. I guess we all know that there's no oha without ogiri, and this lady constantly complained about how my house smelled every time I'm making this particular soup. So one day I was like, you come, I have something for you, come and have a taste of this soup. And since that day she won't leave my house alone. No. Every time she perceives me cooking, she's at home. Is it jollof rice, anything, she eats everything literally, and she's quite elderly, so I'm very much happy to feed her. Having said that, let's get into the details. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Dizzy and I love to share food recipes. If this interests you, please do well to subscribe, share, like, comment, do all the good stuffs. When it comes to oha soup, there are just few ingredients you need. Here we have our ogiri, which was what this lady constantly complained about. When it comes to scotch bonnet pepper, please use as much as your family can tolerate, but always add the yellow pepper because it gives it a different type of flavor. And of course, you need your crayfish and some seasoning cubes and some dry pepper as well. It all builds flavor in your soup. Please do not hesitate to add as much ingredients as you like. And here we have our fresh oha. I'm going to teach you how to cut this particular vegetable. You are not allowed to slice it. I will teach you guys how to use it. Okay, up next we have our ede. This is what we call cocoyam in English, but ede in our language. It acts as thickener to help thicken the soup and not let it very loose, because the Anambra oha is thick, it's not loose. Okay, that's the difference. Now we have our dry fish and our stockfish. For stockfish, you need stockfish because it changes the soup. It changes any soup you're cooking, takes it from 0 to 100. And for protein, we're going to be using goat meat. Please feel free to screenshot my ingredients so you don't forget what to use next time. Into your pot, you go in with your meat and your stockfish because goat meat is hard to boil. Add your crayfish, seasoning cubes, some pepper, already blended pepper, of course. Stir it. Do not add water because this will help the ingredients to incorporate properly into the meat. After you've stirred it, cover it and allow it to come to a boil. Allow for 15 minutes or so, and when you see that your meat has produced its own water, now you can go in with a little more water that you're going to use to properly boil the meat and the stockfish. And now for your cocoyam, all you need to do is put water into a pot, add your cocoyam, cover it and allow it to come to a boil. Now let me teach you how to pick your oha. All you need to do, make sure you wash every of your vegetables 3 times, and then you just pick it and just rip it apart into 4 places. Just try to make it square, and that's it, literally. For your dry fish, you would need to wash this with hot water. There are 2 reasons why me in particular I do this. One is that it allows the fish to get soft so that I don't have to add it earlier in the pot and then it has to get soggy and then I could not see it while I'm eating. Secondly is that it allows me to debone it and it allows me to wash this fish properly as many times I want before I use it. Okay, so recently we no longer pound cocoyam, all thanks to technology, because right now we all have blenders. And here's the aftermath, and now you can see that my soup is boiling and it's getting ready. Now you want to go in with your dry fish, some more pepper. Because I added a little more water, I'm just going to go ahead and add more ingredients to allow the soup taste good. All I'm doing is just to add some seasoning cubes, some more crayfish, and I don't know exactly why I skipped the part where I added the ogiri. However, I would show you maybe next time I'm cooking another soup. I'll show you what the ogiri looks like. Okay, so sorry about that. Now I'm just adding my thickener, which is the blended cocoyam. Don't worry about this. It looks pretty rough, but you're going to see the aftermath. This is what it looks like after it has boiled and it has completely melted. You can see that there are no lumps and you're not seeing any of that thickener again. At this stage, you want to turn off your fire. I like to eat my vegetables fresh, so I turn off the fire and just stir. Let the heat just cook the vegetable a little bit, just a little bit. And here we have our soup is ready. Let me know in the comment section what you think and if you will try this recipe. Thank you for watching. Bye.